making these dropshipping mistakes? Want to escape the 9-to-5 grind? Dropshipping sounds tempting, right? Low startup costs, minimal overhead, work from anywhere. Sounds idyllic, but like any venture, pitfalls abound. Are you making these common dropshipping mistakes? Ignoring them could be detrimental to your entrepreneurial dreams. Let's dive in and navigate these murky waters together. Dropshipping, while attractive, isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires meticulous planning, strategic decision-making, and a customer-centric approach. Many new entrepreneurs, blinded by the allure of easy money, stumble into common traps. These pitfalls can range from poor product selection to neglecting customer service, ultimately leading to business failure. The good news? Most of these mistakes are entirely avoidable with the right knowledge and foresight. This essay will serve as your guide, highlighting the common dropshipping blunders and providing actionable steps to steer clear of them. Remember, in the world of entrepreneurship, knowledge is power, and knowing your enemy, mistakes, is half the battle won. So, buckle up, grab your entrepreneurial spirit, and let's navigate the exciting world of dropshipping, avoiding the common pitfalls that plague many beginners. Your journey to financial freedom and entrepreneurial success starts now.
The foundation of any successful dropshipping business lies in its products. Choose wrong, and you're setting yourself up for failure. It's like building a house on sand, unstable and destined to crumble. So, how do you choose the right products? Firstly, avoid saturated markets. Selling generic phone cases? You'll be competing with a sea of sellers offering the same thing. Instead, niche down. Find unique, problem-solving products with a dedicated target audience. Think eco-friendly pet products or innovative kitchen gadgets. Secondly, research your target market thoroughly. What are their pain points? What solutions are they actively seeking? Understanding your audience is crucial for effective marketing and driving sales. Remember, you're not just selling a product, you're selling a solution, a feeling, an experience. Finally, consider product quality and supplier reliability. Remember, you're not handling the product directly. Partnering with a reputable supplier offering high-quality goods is crucial for customer satisfaction and repeat business. A faulty product or shipping delays can severely damage your brand reputation. Your supplier is your backbone in the dropshipping model. They handle inventory, packaging, and shipping. Choosing the wrong supplier can lead to a domino effect of disasters. Imagine this: a customer orders a product, excited for its arrival. Weeks pass, and it still hasn't arrived. The culprit? An unreliable supplier. Communication is key when vetting potential suppliers. Are they responsive to your inquiries? Do they provide clear and concise information? A supplier who is difficult to reach or evasive in their answers raises red flags. Transparency is crucial for a smooth and successful partnership. Next, delve into their track record. Look for reviews and testimonials from other dropshippers. What are their experiences? Were they satisfied with the product quality, shipping times, and overall service? Due diligence in researching your supplier can save you countless headaches down the line. Lastly, don't be afraid to negotiate. Many suppliers are open to discussing pricing, especially for bulk orders or long-term partnerships. Remember, your profit margins depend on securing the best possible deals with your suppliers. Don't hesitate to shop around and compare offers before making a decision.
In the digital age, customer service is king. Ignoring this crucial aspect is like shooting yourself in the foot. Word of mouth spreads like wildfire online, and one negative review can deter countless potential customers. So, how do you provide stellar customer service? Firstly, be responsive. Respond to inquiries promptly and professionally. Customers appreciate quick and helpful responses, whether it's about order status, product information, or resolving an issue. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to build trust and loyalty. Secondly, go above and beyond. Consider offering personalized recommendations, exclusive discounts, or even handwritten thank you notes. These small gestures can make a big difference in creating a memorable customer experience and fostering brand loyalty. Finally, embrace feedback, both positive and negative. Constructive criticism is invaluable for identifying areas for improvement. Address concerns promptly and professionally, demonstrating your commitment to customer satisfaction. Remember, a happy customer is a returning customer.
Section 5. Steering clear of disaster actionable steps. Avoiding these dropshipping mistakes doesn't require a business degree. It's about implementing simple yet effective strategies. Think of it like building a house. A solid foundation is crucial for a stable structure. Let's lay down those bricks. Firstly, invest time in thorough market research. Identify profitable niches with low competition. Utilize tools like Google Trends, keyword research, and social media analytics to understand market demand and customer preferences. Secondly, treat your suppliers as partners, not just transactional entities. Build strong relationships based on clear communication, mutual respect, and shared goals. Regularly communicate your expectations, provide feedback, and address any concerns promptly. Finally, prioritize customer service as a core value, not an afterthought. Invest in a reliable customer support system, whether it's live chat, email, or social media. Train your team to handle inquiries efficiently and professionally, ensuring a positive experience for every customer.
Section 6. Real-world redemption, learning from others. The entrepreneurial journey is paved with both successes and failures. Learn from the mistakes of others to avoid repeating them in your own venture. Consider this: a dropshipper ignored product quality, focusing solely on profit margins. The result? A flood of negative reviews and a tarnished brand reputation. Take heed from such cautionary tales. Prioritize quality over quantity. Partner with reputable suppliers offering high-quality products that align with your brand values. Remember, a satisfied customer is more likely to become a repeat customer and advocate for your brand. Another common pitfall is neglecting marketing. Simply launching a website and listing products isn't enough. Invest in targeted advertising, social media marketing, and content creation to reach your ideal audience. A well-executed marketing strategy can make all the difference in driving traffic and generating sales. Finally, don't underestimate the power of adaptation. The dropshipping landscape is constantly evolving. Stay informed about industry trends, new technologies, and changing customer preferences. Embrace flexibility and be willing to adjust your strategies to stay ahead of the curve.
Section 7. The Dropshipping Tightrope Balancing Act. Dropshipping, like walking a tightrope, requires balance. Balancing product quality, supplier relationships, customer service, and marketing efforts is crucial for success. One misstep can send you tumbling down. So how do you maintain this delicate balance? Firstly, prioritize effective communication. Maintain open and transparent communication with both your suppliers and customers. Address concerns promptly, provide regular updates, and foster a sense of trust and reliability. Secondly, embrace data-driven decision-making. Track your key performance indicators, KPIs, such as conversion rates, customer acquisition costs, and customer lifetime value. Analyze this data to identify areas for improvement, optimize your strategies, and maximize your profitability. Finally, never stop learning and growing. The world of dropshipping is constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve by attending industry events, reading relevant blogs and publications, and continuously seeking new knowledge and skills.
Section 8. Conclusion. Dropshipping success. Avoiding the pitfalls. Dropshipping offers a low barrier entry into the world of entrepreneurship. However, like any business venture, it's not without its challenges. Avoiding common mistakes can be the difference between soaring high and crashing down. Remember, knowledge is your most powerful tool. By understanding the importance of product selection, nurturing supplier relationships, prioritizing customer service, and adapting to the ever-changing market, you can navigate the dropshipping landscape with confidence. Treat it as a business, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success in dropshipping, like any venture, requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. Embrace the journey, stay informed, and never stop striving for improvement. Avoid these common pitfalls, and you'll be well on your way to building a thriving and sustainable dropshipping empire. Remember, the only true failure is the failure to learn and grow. So go forth, armed with this knowledge, and conquer the world of dropshipping.